The Nike Air Max Plus is one of the most iconic silhouettes in Nike's lineup, originally designed by Sean McDowell as a performance runner before becoming a lifestyle staple. For spring 2026, Nike Sportswear is set to release a fresh and eye-catching white signal blue Old Royal and Team Orange colorway that celebrates the shoe's bold heritage. The upper features a clean white base that gives the sneaker a crisp and modern look. Bright blue accents bring energy to the palm tree-inspired DPU overlays, the whale tail midfoot shank, and the visible tuned air units in the sole. Subtle pops of contrasting color on the branding add character while staying true to the Air Max Plus identity. This release blends nostalgia with a refreshed style that longtime fans and new wearers can appreciate. The Nike Air Max Plus White Signal Blue is expected to drop on Nike.com around April 2026, with an estimated retail price of $190.